VMware by Broadcom, let's quickly talk about the elephant in the room for most service providers, Aria Automation and CloudDirector. How is this going to continue? Very, very early this year, I had a meeting with a set of customers and Hoktan, and the statement was very, very clear. Long-term, these two products are going to be merged. How that is going to work from a practical scenario, how these products are going to be integrated into each other, which product is going to survive for which features, that's completely unclear. Let's not forget there are millions of VMs being managed by each one of them. There is no simple transition because the methodology on how they manage virtual workloads is completely different. So from that perspective, I'm not expecting a short-term change. Maybe it's not even that one of the product disappears, but they actually merge into each other because there are so many areas where they basically add on to each other, so that I could think that just actually building a bridge between them is a solution. The other thing is, don't forget, Aria Automation does not necessarily have a public-facing interface as much as CloudDirector has. So there are tons of things which need to be changed for that. And don't underestimate how many service providers are using that. If you do not do so already, follow me on social media. We will keep you updated with all the greatest and latest news around this. If you are in Frankfurt in the first or second week of October, depending on how you count this, join us for the Architecture Think Tank. 2 days hands-on experience with CloudDirector and a lot of other products for service providers. We also have the Architecture Think Tank in Frankfurt in the same week, Thursday and Friday. If you are an architect in the VMware cloud provider space, that's definitely the place to be. Listen into some of the feedback which we got from the Architecture Think Tank back in Austin, Texas a couple of weeks ago. Something you should definitely not miss. If you are not in Europe, if you are in the US, if you want to travel to the US, end of October, we are going to be with the Challenge Days in Chicago for 2 days. So another 2 days packed of hands-on experience. Looking forward to see you there as well. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop them into the notes, and I'm happy to answer them.